Want to add music to your Facebook post? Whether it's to set the vibe or make your update more engaging, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Stick around till the end so you don't miss a single step. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and head to your homepage. At the top, tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Now, type in any text you want to include in the post. Here's the trick. Swipe up on the bar that sits just above your keyboard. This reveals more options. Scroll through the options and tap on Music. You'll now see a list of songs. You can browse or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. Tap the play icon next to any track to preview it. Once you've found the perfect song, just tap on it to add it to your post. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future Facebook tips like this. You'll see the music added to your post as a sticker or track overlay. When you're ready, hit post and you're done. Once the post is live, your friends will see it along with the music you selected, adding a whole new vibe to your update. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.